Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is my video about a DIY reading nook in your master bedroom, in your bedroom, in your reading room, or in your dining room. But I made this reading nook in my master bedroom. So this is my reading nook, and I bought this. I really like this chest. I bought this chest from HomeSense and it was $399. I really like the color. It's basically a teal color. I really like this color. So whenever I sit here, I put my, at the back, I put my massager. So with the reading, I have a back massage and my shoulder massage. This is I bought from Canadian Tire. So if you want to massage your back or your neck, you can have this, use this idea, and or even without this. I put my chest over there because this is a very light, big, nice window, picture window in my bedroom. And then I have my lamp. In the night time I use this, and then I use my aromatherapy diffuser. Sometimes I use a lavender, and sometimes I use the orange. So it's on your own choice, but believe me, it adds to your really nice touch in your reading. Or you just want to relax here. So sometimes maybe I don't want to read anything, but I just add this golden table. It's from Superstore, the Real Canadian. It's from PC. And then I add this plush blanket. So this is my reading nook. Share with me your reading nook and your DIYs. I really love to see your DIYs, and tell me in my video which thing you like most. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my channel, and do comment below. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in another video.